Leah, what? I am gonna go hunt. Okay. Just gonna take a nap. Okay.
Hey, that's not very nice. You can't eat some salad or something like the rest of us?
No. That's the bird in the game, but like it's not the bird. No, like playing the Simba, but that's like a giraffe instead of a bird. Okay.
I don't know what the bird's name was.
No, that's Crystal
Okay.
instead of the name. Got some food.
Ew, that's gross.
I'm gonna eat you instead.
No, I'm good. I'm good.
That was good. It just flops this thing out of here. Why is that ginormous elephant coming this way?
It's a stampede! Ah!
No, it's trying to hurt my girlfriend. Get him!
Well, you better get her. You're more fierce than I am.
But you can literally kick my head off if you wanted. Kick its head off.
Kick its head off?
You okay? Yeah. Get me with this tusk or whatever. It's a stampede. We're not stampede. There's none of us except for us. This is Rocky. She's a girl. She's my girlfriend. And I am Fartso because I do this.
My name apparently is Crystal.
Don't hurt us. We're the king and the queen. Get the girl, I'll get the boy because I'm a boy and I can't hit girls because I'm a boy. And guys, if you didn't know, I am, I said it in the beginning of the game. I forgot it. But guys, I'm Mark.
That's a strange name for a lion.
No, it's not.
It sounds like a name that you would name your IRS tax collector.
You want me to eat you? I'm gonna eat you.
No.
I'm gonna give you a punishment bite.
No.
I bet you can't kick me because I have food to protect me.
Oh. Get up, Stevie. Get up.
His name's Steve.
Steve the zebra.
I'm still alive. Maybe not. Bite your neck.
Get off of my friend.
Bite.
No.
I'm gonna eat you instead. You can't bite me. Get her.
Ah! That wasn't nice at all. I'm telling the stampede people on you. They're gonna come run all over you and walk all over you.
Well, my name's Leah. I'm gonna bite you. And I'm stronger than him because apparently tigers are stronger than lions. That's actually true, guys. What is this? I don't know.
Oh, no.
No, you can't get up. You can't get up right now. No, you better listen to us. Don't ever try to do that ever again.
You don't tell me. I tell
I'm
you.
the king.
I tell you.
I'm the queen. Better listen.
Queen of dirty diapers.
No, throw you across the room. I did not mean to do that. Like, for real, I did not.
How rude.
Oh, he's gone. He gone. For real, he gone. What? Why? What? I'm playing the game. Whatever. The zebra. Bite your neck.
Is that all you guys do is bite each other?
End it.